South Korea's police chief has admitted that their response to the Itaewon crush was inadequate, amid growing calls for accountability. Yoon Hee-keun said he felt limitless responsibility about public safety over what happened, and vowed a full investigation. Interior Minister Lee Sang-min also apologized for the incident that killed 156 people and injured 152 others. The Itaewon crush happened on October 29, when a large crowd of people gathered in the popular nightclub district despite strict social distancing measures being in place due to the coronavirus pandemic. The crush led to a stampede, and many people were trampled or crushed to death. The incident sparked outrage in South Korea, with many people accusing the government of negligence and demanding that those responsible be held accountable. The government has set up a special investigation team to look into the incident, and several officials have already been disciplined. Police Chief Yoon Hee-keun apologized for the incident and said that the police would do their best to prevent anything like it from happening again. "I deeply apologize to the people of this country for our inadequate response to the Itaewon incident," he said. "I will make sure that this kind of incident never happens again." Interior Minister Lee Sang-min also apologized for the incident and said that the government would do everything in its power to prevent anything like it from happening again. "We are deeply sorry for the loss of life and injuries caused by the Itaewon incident," he said. "The government will do everything in its power to prevent anything like this from happening again."